Welcome to the Rainbow Frequency, offering transmissions of love. This portal is dedicated to promoting the spirit of hope and perseverance to one and all. What is it that we need to know right now, whenever it is that you watch this video? These are the Star Child Tarot. Still working them in. Past, present, obstacle, advice from spirit, outcome, we got the Eight of Cups, we got the Ace of Wands, Seven of Crystals, Seven of Wands, and the Nine of Wands. And get some clarifiers. We got passion, jasmine, trigger statement, I'm scared, true statement, when I'm vulnerable, I'm at my strongest. We got tangerine, which is innocence, trigger statement, I have so much to do, true statement, I am playful, let the burdens of responsibility go in this moment and look at your world with the eyes of a child. Black pepper, integrate, trigger statement, I'm trapped, true statement, I am whole, allow the parts of yourself to hide, allow the parts of yourself you hide to make themselves known. In the light, you will see the wisdom they hold. Melaleuca, evolution, trigger statement, things will never change, true statement, I attract only what is for my highest good. The imbalances in relationships that have been keeping you down are no longer needed. You are ready to transform. Geranium, nurturing, trigger statement, I'm all in my head. True statement, I create with pleasure. Take time to rest, and in that time, be open to creative pursuits. Surround yourself with the things that please your senses and be gentle with yourself. All right. The Eight of Cups. Eights signify change, abundance. Eight of Cups, cups signify your emotions. So in the past, there was a need to really change the flow of your emotions. Reconnect with your feminine energy and pursue something that ignites your fire. Open the gates of your fortress and explore. So, when the world kind of forces you to go inward and really contemplate how you feel in that moment, if we're like, say you were in the period of quarantine and you really had to face your emotions, for better or for worse, and get a handle on them. And you kind of get a balance of what's real, what's not real, what's needed for survival, what needs to be let go of. Walls come crashing down, you rebuild yourself. Ace of Wands in the present, reversed, combined with let the burdens of responsibility go in the moment and look at your world through the eyes of a child. So aces are new beginnings. So this is a period where you're rebuilding yourself and reclaiming the direction you want to go, what ignites your fire from within. You know, a lot of us are going back to the dreams we had as children because they're still with us. And, you know, there's something to that. What you've always loved doing, there's a reason for it. So take that power from within and then reverse these energies so that you can embark with emotional balance and flow towards a new beginning where you co-create what happens around you. And then we have the Seven of Crystals. You know, sevens are that build up to big change and abundance. It's that cultivating what you need to use to get there. And sevens also link with the divine. So, you know, she's channeling, or he, they, this entity is channeling the wisdom of the cosmos into what it is that they want to put out there in the world. So allow the parts of yourself you hide to make themselves known. In the light, you will see the wisdom they hold. So all of this, all these crystals are different facets of this person, and they're putting it out there into the world to be the seeds for change. Seven of Wands. Again, say this is the higher self funded by the power from within, with the ego or your spirit guide, your animal totem. You know, you along with the universe are putting your energy and power out there. The moon is that divine feminine energy, that wisdom, that releasing what no longer serves you to be transmuted into healing, harmonious energy, so that you can really have the world you want take shape. And then Nine of Wands, you know, 9 is building to that completion. You can see that lotus blossom in the middle, which is enlightenment. It's getting to that completion. You can see, it's almost like there's a new dawn rising over this canyon, and the energy is from the earth plane, but also being channeled together from the cosmos. So really sit with yourself, meditate, connect to whatever it is that you connect to, and let go of fear, let go of the relationships. You know, the imbalances in relationships that have been keeping you down and are no longer needed. You're ready to transform. So transform, let go, release, and allow. Take time to rest, and in that time be open to creative pursuits. And creative pursuits are really, to me, where you channel messages, wisdom, whatever. So do that, and take this transformation gently. Rome wasn't built in a day, is what I keep hearing from my guides, guardians, helpers, whatever. Because I'm not the most patient of people. I want to make it all happen as soon as I can think it up. And so it's my lesson to allow, instead of trying to control so much. Unbound, releasing soul patterns, contracts, and past lives. Again, yes, this is why I draw from so many decks, because sometimes they really push the message through, drive it in home. Releasing soul patterns, contracts, and past lives. So I once heard that our ancestral karmic debts, our traumas, can be traced back 7 generations. Whether that's true for everyone, who knows? But not all of what you carry is yours. So if that resonates, do rituals or cut cords in your meditations. There are many different ways to do this, but let it go. Past lives, whether you believe in reincarnation or, studies are showing that memory can be passed down through your DNA. So whether or not you're just remembering past lives of your ancestors, it's not yours in the here and now. So let it go. Whichever one it be, it doesn't matter who you've been, who they've been, what's happened in the past. It's who you are now that really matters. So take the wisdom, take the lessons, and move forward to your best ability right now. I recently, this is really personal, but I had a meditation, and I wasn't expecting this, where I had a past life memory come through where I had been burned at the stake. And I had to let go of that fear of being betrayed, of being hurt by the people that I'd helped, and I almost jumped out of it because it was too much to feel, but I kept in it, and then I transformed into a bird and, like a phoenix, rose up and transcended the experience. So you have to let it go. It's not the witch trials anymore. It's 2020, and I don't necessarily like the woo-woo word, but woo-woo, spiritual, metaphysical, it's all much more accepted, and we're realizing that science and spirituality don't need to be separate. Alchemy is chemistry. Nature is magic. And then we get the underworld. And to me, people fear death. People fear the dark. People fear the shadow. But it's part of life. It's organic. They're all cycles where we let things go, selves go, we shed skins, we transform. So, let what no longer serves fall back to the earth to be utilized to grow something new. I hope that resonates. Be well. If you like this transmission, please subscribe to my channel and join my community. In the description below, there is a link to my Patreon site where you may contribute your support. I'm also available for personal readings. Please feel free to contact me directly at the email address provided. All the love. Be well.